In this video, I'm going to share some of the proven tips that will help you build better landing pages that are higher converting so you can get more traffic converting into whatever the goal is, whether that's to get them subscribed to your email list, or maybe you're trying to get them to sign up for a webinar, or you're selling some sort of product and want them to become a customer. We're going to teach you these tips you can use and implement on your landing pages to increase conversions. So tip number one is to use proven landing page software. So this is landing page software used by businesses that have had huge success, big results, profitable businesses. And a few examples to get started. One would just be ClickFunnels. If you've ever heard of ClickFunnels, they've got tons of e-commerce and Shopify, users that have switched over to the ClickFunnels store website. And it's basically just like a built for you funnel. I mean, you literally pick out your opening sales page, then you pick out your checkout page you want, then you pick out your order confirm page, and they've got additional pages you can add, but it's a simple funnel you set up by picking these different pages. You order which way they go, which order people see them. So somebody first hits the sales page. Once they click through, they get to the checkout page, then they click through to the order confirm page. So that's a simple 3-page funnel you can set up with ClickFunnels. It's a drag and drop page builder, super easy to use. But the biggest thing is it's got analytics, so you can see how many people make it to each of your 3 pages. So you'll see maybe 1,000 people hit your sales page. Then you might see that 50 of them moved on to the checkout page. And then you might see that 10 of them ended up buying. And you can go back and try to tweak those pages and update them and make them better to try to continually optimize the data until you get more people clicking through the sales page to your checkout page. And then you get more people clicking from the checkout page, buying the product and going to the order confirm page. So ClickFunnels is proven landing page software that we're recommending if you want an easy built for you funnel, or you can build your own, landing page on your own website as well if you're trying to save some money. All right, tip number 2 is that the offer matters. You want high value offers only. So don't just give out some sort of weak offer. If you're trying to get a high conversion rate, it's got to be something valuable, something that solves a problem. So think about your user when they come to your sales page, your landing page. What is it that they need help with? And then try to think of what kind of offer you can present to them that's going to be, the most attractive offer that's going to get them to take action. That's how you're going to get these high conversion rates. If you offer them something soft like, hey, sign up for my email newsletter, that's not going to work anymore today. For example, if you're trying to build an email list, you might offer a free in-depth guide that they can get access to, or you can even take it a step further up the value scale and give them access to a free course. Maybe you put together a free mini course that then you could transition into the full scale upsell of your big master course that you created, like a resource library. So give them some kind of actual value rather than just giving a weak offer, and you're going to notice that you get better conversion rates. So on that note, if you have low conversion rates right now, what I would do is split test 5 different offers. Think of 5 different things you can offer, whether that's products you're offering or whether that's offers you're trying to get somebody to subscribe to an email list. Think of 5 different things to offer and test all 5. Drive traffic to 5 different sales pages, 5 different landing pages, offering these 5 different things, and see which one converts best. And that's how you're going to get started with the right offer. Once you know you have a high value offer, then you can keep implementing these additional tips that we've got today. All right, tip number 3, social proof. Every landing page should have some social proof on it. So if you can get testimonials from customers or people who've tried a free resource that you've given away and gotten results from it, some way you can include social proof that people have tried whatever it is you're offering and they found that it works, that it's helped them, that it's achieved results for them, result-driven proof. You can also use social metrics like social proof in terms of how many followers you have. As well, when you've got a big social media following, people like to display that on their sales pages at the bottom, like, hey, don't forget to follow me on social media. And then they'll have those buttons that you can add somebody on Instagram or add them on Facebook or Twitter, and they've got the little share counts underneath showing how many shares a blog post has had or how many followers they have on those platforms. So social proof's important. That shows that you're authoritative, that you've followed by a lot of people, you've had people try your stuff and found success with it, and that's more likely than, it's like a referral type of thing. People are more likely to try something if they see referrals from other people recommending it. All right, tip number 4, video. Add video to your landing page. Video helps sell a lot easier than just written out text. When somebody watches a video, they can see, somebody talking to them. That helps build trust, credibility. Or if you're doing like a sales video where you highlight all the different product features, what kind of solutions the product provides, what results the product provides, video format can definitely help increase chances of somebody clicking through to that next step in your funnel. So make sure you've got a professional video. You want to keep it short, keep it concise, to the point. Don't ramble on and on in your video. Just make it, kind of a short, maybe 2 to 5 minute video somebody can quickly watch to get some more information, to kind of pique their interest, to make them curious, convince them maybe that this is for them, and that can help you increase those conversion rates on your landing page. And then our final tip today is just keep your overall length of your landing page concise and to the point. There's some sales pages, some landing pages out there that are just like reading a book. You're literally scrolling for days and days and days down the page. But for example, with my landing page here for my real estate investing school, somebody can enroll in my course. I've got a limited time offer. I've got a couple bullet points. I've got a little bit of text here. Then we highlight what they're getting in the course. A little more text here on, what their goals are, what kind of results they're looking for. And then boom, we get into what's in the course as far as the class curriculum, so they can see all the different modules, all the different training material that they're going to be getting when they access this. So it's a big, massive resource library with tons of modules that we scroll down here. There's just lots of content they're getting. And then at the end, there's the button again to get started. So at the top and bottom, so it's a short, concise page, to the point, tells them what they're getting, why it's going to help them. And that's how you increase your conversion rates, rather than having some massive long page that just drags on and on and on, kind of rambling about nothing. When you keep it to the point, you're more likely to see better results. But you can also split test. If you don't believe that, you can split test. Try it. Maybe something works better for you, long form content instead of short form. So make a shorter sales page, make a medium sales page, make a long sales page, maybe drive traffic to all three, see which one converts best, and then run with that one and continue making tweaks to it. So overall, you try these tips, you use some proven landing page software to build out your landing page like ClickFunnels, or you can build your own on your own website. Or in my case, I'm on Teachable, and Teachable has like a drag and drop builder for you to build out your own sales page as well. So use proven landing page softwares. Then create a high value offer that you're going to offer on that landing page. Use social proof, use video to help sell home your offer, and then keep the page nice and concise and to the point. So those are my tips for you today to boost your conversion rates for your landing pages. Try these out. Let me know in the comments below what you found working for you, if you've tried sales pages, landing pages previously, so that others can read the comments below to find some additional value in addition to these tips that we covered today. So help us out. Leave a couple comments below what you found works and doesn't work for you, and let's all as a community come together and try to boost our conversion rates for our landing pages. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next upload. Yo, check this out. So if you type in asknickfoy.teachable.com, asknickfoy.teachable.com, when you hit enter, it's going to open up my resource library. So I've been working on tons of training video modules, and I put them together in these different courses. And you can go over here to asknickfoy.teachable.com, and you can learn how to start a website that makes money. So this is called Profitable Blogger. You can also learn how to make money from social media like Pinterest. You can also learn real estate investing. So these are 3 ways I currently make money right now. I'm making $6,000 to $7,000 a month. I've already come out with a video showing you how I was making $1,400 a week a little while back, and we're on pace to eventually get to $10K a month passive income through websites, through social media, and through real estate investing. So these 3 methods combined, I created these 3 training courses. You can go here to asknickfoy.teachable.com to check them out, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside when you enroll in them. Yo, before you go, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, Nick Foy TV. If you hover the lower right corner of your video right now, you're gonna see the little red subscribe button. When you hover that, it's gonna pop up that subscribe button, and it would mean a lot. I already appreciate you gave me your time, your attention today, but if you could also hit that subscribe button, support the channel, and smash the like button, as they all say in every YouTube video. So smash the like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.